Zach, what do we got today?
Ninja Turtles.
Ninja Turtles. You have to tell us who they are.
He's a ninja, but I don't know what his name is.
He's one of the bad guys, right? He's pretty creepy though.
This
What's
is
he got?
Shrill.
That's Shredder. He's a bad guy too, right? This is gonna take us a while. That's a lot of figures.
Yeah.
He's bad.
He's like a shark.
Is he a good guy or bad guy?
I think it's a bad guy because look at his face.
He looks creepy.
That's him. Look.
Which ones? Who are they?
Bebop and Rocksteady.
Who's who?
This guy's Rocksteady and this guy's Bebop.
They're bad guys, right?
Yeah, they are the little
And
minions.
Rocksteady was a rhino.
Yeah.
Bebop was a warthog.
He was a rhinoceros.
And
This
then
guy was-
once that mutagen got on them, they morphed into these weird characters. Who's that little guy?
He's a puppet
Crane, the brain.
their brain. So they only a part of his brain. So that why they call
Is he
him
really
puppet.
smart?
Yeah. Because he's a brain.
Not all brains are smart.
But this guy's smart because he's a person of a brain.
Oh.
He's Muckman.
McMahon.
He's like the trashiest guy ever.
Trashiest? Does he go under the mutagen stuff? The slime?
Yeah, he goes right in. Because he's so messy, he goes right
Is he a bad guy?
in. I don't know. He looks pretty nice and pretty bad.
He looks nice and bad.
Yeah. What is at the bottom of this? I don't even know.
What is that?
He's a ninja. He's a ninja turtle and
Like Star Trek? I've never heard of him.
he's like a dentist.
Dentist. Is he gonna go up on the street?
Stairs right here. So see these stairs, like where are the stairs?
The ladder?
Yeah, the wow goes right here, so I'm not gonna put you on.
Oh.
Okay.
Is that Leonardo?
Uh-huh.
He's the leader?
I don't know what this is. What is this?
I don't know. You have to show us.
Yeah. This is so crazy how that just pops up.
That's so crazy.
Okay. Has nothing on it. It's like, what? Who is?
That has like,
Who is
like
he?
a old one.
Who is
I don't know. We haven't figured out who the orange one is.
Maybe this is Michelangelo.
Donatello.
I think it's Michelangelo.
Who's the other one? So it's Leonardo, Michelangelo, Donatello, and Raphael.
Raphael. Oh, I think he.
Yeah.
Raphael is the red one. same sex.
He has a shield.
Yeah.
Why do you have two of the same thing?
I don't know.
Daddy buys you,
Slash.
keeps buying you things. He doesn't realize you already have them.
Yeah. He bought me 2 of those T-Rexes after, and he didn't know I had the other one. Look. What is this? Do you think this is a Ninja Turtle right here?
Yes.
He's Leonardo.
Oh yeah, purple.
Yeah, I think so. Look.
Another rock steady.
Yeah.
See, your dad just like keeps buying you things that you already have.
Yeah.
What a silly guy.
Oh look, this rock stay has paper. He doesn't.
See?
Yeah.
See? What do you mean?
This guy.
Oh, who's that?
He's a guy of Leonardo.
What is he wearing? What's on his back?
What's on his back?
What is that?
I don't know.
Does it like turn
He's
on?
Raphael.
Oh yeah, 'cause he has the R.
He's Raphael. I knew this guy was Raphael.
Is Raphael the one who's like really smart?
Yeah. Look at this. I know what this is now.
Wait, what about this guy?
Oh yeah. Got the part in there.
Is that Shredder's?
Yeah.
And what does that thing in the front do?
Do this. Drill from the ground like this.
It drills through the concrete.
Yeah.
We need the turtle band. We're missing the turtle band.
And the puck frogs and
And the punk frogs.
level. I don't know what.
And what the heck is that? Oh my goodness.
Look at these. Look at these little accessories.
These accessories. Oh, who's that guy? Is he Muckman's little minion?
Yeah. See this?
Where's he gonna go?
Look at this, Miss Stephanie. This is a big minion.
You know who that is? It's Leonardo, your favorite. Ah, there we go.
Look.
All right, what's your favorite? I already know.
This one.
Yep. All right, what do you say?
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thank